Welcome to day 2 of this affiliate marketing mini course. In the last video, we joined the all-in-one $25 business because it's a great affiliate offer and they have a funnel builder and you get a lot of done for you stuff. Then we imported a funnel, this one over here, and set up everything, tested the buttons, tested this one if it's working and if you get the contacts. And in today's video, we're going to connect this funnel with our email automation and put in a few emails and start a campaign so that the business can work 24/7 for you. So you don't have to worry about this stuff. This is done automatically in the backend and you can focus on building your list and the other stuff of your business. So, and on this side, we give away a lead magnet, this escape plan. And if you watch this video and you don't have it, there is a link down in the description to this page. Get the escape plan. It's really great. It helps you with all this stuff, how to set up your affiliate marketing business. So it's an amazing ebook. And if you don't know what we were talking about, watch this video first. So you set up your funnel, and now we're at video number 2. And let's jump right in. So that this one is working, we need to integrate our email autoresponder. I use Aweber and I use the free version. You can use the pro version. I show you the difference in setting everything up. With the free version, you have to do a little bit more stuff. So yeah, it depends what you want. Or if you have another autoresponder, if you have already one and you don't want Aweber, go over here to the Funnel Builder Academy, Funnel Builder Setup, integrate your autoresponder with your funnel builder. So here is get response if you want to use this one. Aweber, if I'm too fast, everything you want to watch it over here. But we do exactly this one. But I think this is for the paid version only. Zapier, Active Campaign, Drip. So there are a lot of autoresponders you can use. I use Aweber because it's free for your first 500 contacts. So back to our site, and over here you have to click on funnel settings, applications. There should be nothing over here. You click on add application and you choose your applications. You have to make sure to sign up for Aweber first, because if you click here on connect, if there would be the Aweber sign over here and connect here, click on it. And then you have to log in one time to Aweber and the programs are connected and they can talk with each other. And that's all for the connection. And if you have this one, you should have Aweber over here. And now we go to Aweber and do the steps over there. Go back, log into your Aweber account. And if you have a free version, you just can make one list. But I'm satisfied at the moment with my one list. So if you're new, you create a new list. If you want to manage your list, click over here and manage lists, or go here on list settings. I have to do it like this. You will be on this list. If you have a new one, there will be nothing inside. Name your list. Then you need your from name and you need an email address. You can use a Gmail address, but it's better to use a paid one. This one is from Soho email and is free if you have a domain. If you want to make your business account, you can choose G Suite or anything. You will find out how this works, or go back to the Funnel Builder Academy and go here, business email and domain, watch this training and they explain everything though. But put it in, you need to have a contact address, and I put in my Gmail address for notifications. And then you save the settings. Then you go to personalize your list, company name if you have one, just put in your name. You can connect to social media and save this settings. And now this one is the confirmation. If you use Aweber with the free version, you see over here, you have to upgrade if you don't want to send a confirmation email. So if you choose the paid versions, check this one over here and everything is okay. And then you have the one-time opt-in. So someone joins your list, name and email address, and they are over here in Aweber. And if you have the paid version and you do the API integration, so someone puts in name and email, then they get an email from Aweber with this text over here. This is my text. There are default emails. You can choose, you can change this one. Then they have to click to the confirmation, and then they are on the email list in Aweber. So if you don't want this one with the email and the confirmation, you want them direct over here, you have to pay and upgrade your account. Both methods have advantages. If you do the single opt-in and you upgrade, you build your list faster and you can send the emails faster to the people. If you do it the other way, you have a cleaner list because people have to confirm the email address. They can't give you a fake one, otherwise they won't get the lead magnet and everything. So you have to decide what you want, and you put over here a success page. If they click on the confirmation in the email over here, they go to the success page. I just put them to this page over here. So if they confirm, this page will open. Maybe in the near future or in this series, we're going to make a quick video and explain a little bit more about the offer to boost our conversions. Now your list should be done. You can change this one over here and everything. Just write your text or take the text that's already inside and click on save. Now you should have a list inside. Then we go back to our website. We click over here, edit settings, and we go here and there should be Aweber settings. Click on it and select your list and click on confirm. And if you want an email over here, just write your email address and you get notified if someone enters the email address. But I have it already in Aweber and I want the confirmed email because I've used the free version with this email address. I have it over here in contacts. So say first, sorry. I have the email addresses over here in contacts anyway, but this is not connected with the automation. And then we go to our thank you page. If you use the free version, everything is okay. You don't have to do anything. They click here and get it. But if you use the free versions, we have to make this a little bit more attractive to confirm. We don't write here, congratulations, here's your 30-minute workday. We write here, attention. We have to write something like this. Attention, please confirm your email address to get the 30-minute workday escape plan. Then we type the same over here. So just copy this line and put it in over here. And then we click on this one and delete it. Yes, so they still get to our offer, but they won't get the escape plan. They have to confirm their email address first. So with this method, you make sure that they opted in, they want this, so they have to confirm to get on your list. Okay, this is okay for now. Then we go back to Aweber and we go here to messages, campaigns, create a campaign. We take a blank campaign. I call this one day 2, create, it's just an example campaign. And then we want if someone is unsubscribe. So for every new subscriber, this will happen. Then double click to add, we make a wait for 1 minute, because if they subscribe, they want the free ebook right away. Then we send a message. So, and for this message, we go back over here to our HBA affiliate zone, then to the Freedom Launchpad and bonuses. So you need to have the HBA Premium. You go over here to the Done For You 7-figure funnel. Click on this pre-written emails for your autoresponder. They will open, and then we write this one. The escape plan, you order this here, just copy it. We go back to the campaign, send message, create a message, drag and drop email builder, and then we take this as subject line and we write our email, go back, copy everything, and paste it. And now you go through it. This one is bigger than this, so we want all in 14 and change it. If you don't want hey friend, I take hi first name, so I delete this one. I'm happy that you want to grab it, everything. Your direct to book link, so we have to put it over here. I delete this one, mark this one over here, click there. Then we go back to our SAM card login, we go to the PDF, copy and paste it over here. And now there should be a link to the PDF. Go through the text, write everything, your name, and you can preview and test, send it to your email address, save and exit. If you like it, just read it. So now this is over here. Then we wait for 1 day this time and we send the next message. So we go back to the 3 email sequence. We go email number 2, copy, campaign, create a message, drag and drop email builder, paste. Then we go back over here, copy, paste, change everything and save and exit. If you have everything, your name, just put everything in and you're finished. And then we click on save and exit. And now we have our campaign. It's just 2 emails now. Put in the 3rd email and you can put in more follow-up emails if you want more. Go back to your affiliate zone. Go over here, Freedom Launchpad and bonuses and ultimate email and traffic swipes, and open this one. Here you have 50 done for you emails. You can import them and you have follow-up emails. You have 53 follow-up emails with this system. So almost 2 months follow-up. Just watch this one over here first, how to edit everything, and then import them like we did now. And then you have to activate your campaign. So this is a draft, activate campaign. This is for new subscribers, they will do this. Now we're going to test if this is working. This is active. We go back to our funnel, open the day 1, click over here, it will open it. Enter name and email. So test again. And now we're on the new confirmation page. You see it over here. I have to confirm. Now we see if it's working. We go back to the website and over here on contacts should be your name. Yes, it's over here. Then we go to our inbox. So, and here confirm my email. I click on it and we should get to the all-in-one business page. Yep, this one worked. Okay, can close this one. Now we go to our inbox. If this campaign is working, because we just subscribed, we should get this email in a minute. So I got over here my notification that someone was added to my list. So this one is okay, this one is great. So over here we go to subscribers. If you don't have any subscribers, it should be just your name, your test. And over here I am subscribed, so it worked. And we go back to the inbox and you see it over here. I have a new email. The plan you ordered is here. Click on this one if it's working. So it's working perfectly. And now we have everything together. So a little bit more white space. So we have our funnel, name and email, thank you page, and we go to the offer. And we have our autoresponder, our list, where we can send emails to this offer. And we already have a follow-up sequence. So, and this is how affiliate marketing is done the right way. If you have another offer to promote, you don't need this one, you can promote whatever you want. Do the same way. If you have a ClickBank product, sometimes they have email swipes, 10 emails, or ask your affiliate partner if they have something, or write them on your own, or join this $25 business. Just use the 50 done for you email swipes, join it for a month, and then leave again. But if you use the funnel builder anyway, why should you do so? And you can change these emails for any make money offer or so. And now click over here, check this one, fill in your details, join this amazing offer. It's really great product. And in the next video, I show you the 3 steps you have to do from this point on, because your automated business is set up and now it's about traffic and get people to see your offer.